In the last episode, I stayed 3 nights in Buena Vista, Colorado, and rode Tin Cup Pass after repairing my motorcycle. Since I was running short on supplies, I decided to roll south from Buena Vista into Gunnison, where I restocked and spent the evening. The next morning, I rolled south down past Lake City and spent a few nights on the lake in a caldera, believe it or not, a volcanic caldera. And you can see as we look around what is left of the caldera. It's really amazing. This was an amazing place to stay, 50 feet above the water, and right here you can see Lake City, and there's my camp spot right here on the side of the lake, looking up towards the caldera and the rim of what's left of an ancient volcano. From my lakeside parking, I can imagine how the volcano looked millions of years ago. It's quite impressive when you think about the area this dormant volcano covers. Even more impressive, just a few miles east of this location is La Garita, the largest caldera on the planet. So I spent the night in an extinct volcano, a caldera, the hole that the volcano leaves in the ground. And in this instance, the hole has filled with water and has become a lake. I'm in Lake City, Colorado, and on the other side of the pass back here, this is Cinnamon Pass. Engineer came back across the other night. On the other side of Cinnamon Pass is Silverton, another extinct volcano. Anyway, I think it's pretty cool. Big hole in the ground. Can't really tell the difference between this and other mountains, except, well, I guess I can't really tell anyway. But pretty cool night. It's very cold out here this morning, but the fishermen are out already, and the ATVs are out, and I'm probably going to be headed back to either Lake City or Silverton. California Gulch. I think there's a pass up there too. It looks like there's a long forgotten boiler here. Guess you can see there's water lines there and what's left of the old mine here. I'm guessing it was gold or silver because this looks pretty freaking big. There's an old mattress box springs. And no signs of life other than the slim tundra right there. Lots of passes before, but this is my first peak. I believe this is California Peak, or that is. Probably that is. It's higher, more impressive. Why not name it California? But man, I can see 360, except for this guy. We're pretty high up. This is 12.9. And of course, they're way down there. They look like little ants riding motorcycles. So I'm up here monkeying around and I didn't realize how thin and narrow this little ridge was until I started looking over here, and I was monkeying around, running from rock to rock, trying to get some good images. And I realized one misstep and I better catch myself on the way down. It's even worse on this side. Here comes all the little motorcycles and everybody's afraid to pass. It appears that I have finally found my national park. It's just me and the dude and the wind and that awesome mountain range in the back. So we rolled south into the Rio Grande National Forest and into the La Garita, the largest volcanic caldera on Earth. This thing was huge, and I'm looking south towards Creed now. And this was a fantastic camping area, so quiet and peaceful. I don't think I saw a single soul out here the whole time we were out. I had to go south into Creed to find any people at all. It was amazing, quiet, peaceful. Just the wind and birds, that's all you could hear.